Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create a YouTube thumbnail, and here we will use this Canva. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can access this canva.com, and here I am accessing it with my PC. However, if you would like to create it from scratch from your smartphone or even the tab, and don't worry because this Canva can be also installed into your smartphone, whether that in the Android or the iOS phone. And also, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And for the new users, don't worry because they will give you 30 days of free trial. And this is the look of the homepage of the Canva. And you will find a lot of tool over here. And let's say if you would like to searching for the inspiration of your the thumbnail, then you can go to this template, and on the searching section you can start to type YouTube thumbnail, for example this one, and you can scroll down and find a lot of example, a lot of inspiration of the YouTube thumbnail, and a lot of YouTube thumbnail also related to the purpose or the niche of your video. For example, if you would like to create the YouTube thumbnail about the music video, so you need or you will find this example of the thumbnail. There is the song title and also who is the singer, the composer, for example, and also you can also put the, let's say that this video actually has reached, for example, 1 million of view. You can put it into that thumbnail. And in this Canva, you'll find also the thumbnail that also stick with this crown, which means that you can access this template, but you need to upgrade this Canva into the pro version first. And after that, you can simply use this template and download it with the several format. But if you need the free version, then don't worry because there are still a lot of YouTube thumbnail inspiration here, and not only for the music video but also, let's say, about the documentary films, and also your opinion about something, or if you would like to share about the knowledge of the history or even the experience of yourself while hiking in the certain mountain. So there is a lot of example over here, and you can choose which one is your favorite. And you can also scroll down, and for example I will choose this one, and after that you can continue to click customize this template, and you will find now the crown into this section. And you can also choose this one, choose the another thumbnail that has the same theme or the same, it's like the picture like this, and it will direct you into this section, and you can start to do the editing. And for example I would like to do the editing top, let's say 5 of the top 5 the hardest, and I will reduce the font size, for example to be 80, and I will also add the first, okay, it should be 100, the hardest stone. And after that, you can continue to click share here to save or download it. You can click download, and here I will download it to be the PNG. And you can continue to click download and kindly wait for the next section. And finally, the thumbnail is ready to use, and you can use it as your video, as your first thumbnail of your video. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this canva.com. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.